Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable single click to access open any items on your Windows 11. Okay, so for this guys, you don't need to download any third-party app on your PC. Just you can follow this easy and simple method. First open the File Explorer this PC on your Windows 11. Okay, after opening here you can get three dots option. Just click on it. From here open the options like this. It will open the new window, folder options. As you can see guys, from here you can get the option single click to open an items. Just you need to select this option and then click on apply and OK. When you single click on any item on your PC, it will open. You don't need to double click on your items. As you can see guys, just select your item and click on it. It will open your files, as you can see guys. So this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.